Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of juggling between OneDrive and Google Drive, or just want to switch for better features, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your files from OneDrive to Google Drive in 2025. It's easier than you might think, and I'll make sure you avoid common pitfalls along the way. Let's jump right in. First things first, sign into your OneDrive account through a web browser or the app. Once you're in, navigate to the files or folders you want to transfer. Select them by clicking and dragging or using the Control key for multiple selections. This step is crucial, so double-check you've got everything. Next, hit the download button. OneDrive will package your files into a zip folder, which might take a bit if you have a lot of data. While that's downloading, open up Google Drive in another tab and log in with your Google account. Now, click on the New button and select File Upload. Browse to the downloaded zip file from OneDrive and upload it. If your files aren't zipped, you can upload them individually for better control. Once uploaded, if you have a zip file, right-click it in Google Drive and choose Extract to unpack your files. Google Drive makes this super simple. After that, take a moment to organize your files, create new folders, rename items, and sort everything to keep your drive tidy. A quick tip: for larger transfers, consider using Google's data transfer tool or third-party apps to save time and bandwidth. Always verify your files after the transfer by opening a few to ensure they're intact and haven't been corrupted. And there you have it. Your files are now safely in Google Drive. This process not only frees up space but also gives you more flexibility with cloud storage. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.